Hey my favorites, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever. Even though I've been here, I haven't been here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Anyways, we're gonna get into the Morphe X James Charles palette. I played with this already so far. I've done 2 looks, but not here on YouTube. So today I'm coming to you guys with, you know, something pretty, something different, something, you know, that I don't normally do. And I hope you guys will love it. So we're just going to jump right in and start creating magic. But wait, before we start, hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my brows. For my brows today, I'm going to be using the spiked eyebrow pencil from M.A.C Cosmetics. I already got my eyebrows already threaded, so you know they're already nice and put into place. So there we have one brow. Pretty simple, pretty easy, you know, I have to take forever to do one brow. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal my brows using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. Now I know that James said with the palette you want to use a eyeshadow primer. But since I already created several looks without using the eyeshadow primer and it came out really well, really good. So I'm still going to use my concealer as a base for the eyeshadow, just because I feel like I still got the best results. Now that we have our concealer laid down, I'm going to go over my base using the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in the shade Medium. Now the first shade from the palette I'm going to be dipping into is Code James, and that is the center orange one. That is, oops, that's this shade right here, and that's what I'm going to be dipping into for my transition shade. The next shade I'm going to be going into is 10% Off, and that is the shade right next to Code James. For my brow bone shade, I will be taking the shade 518 here to put that on my brow bone. The next shade I'm going to be dipping into is the shade Cola, and it's a blue shade. I'm going to take a small blending brush from Sigma. It is the E36. And I'm going to dip into the shade Hello. Hello. I believe that's what it's called, Hello. And I'm going to lightly blend into the blue just to diffuse it. Also going to tap into the shade Spooky. It's a black, and I'm just going to define that crease, the cut crease. Now I'm going to cut the crease using the M.A.C Prolong Wear Concealer in the shade NC42. So now that we have this crease, I'm going to go in with liner. Now for lashes, I'm going to throw on a custom pair of lashes that I created, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back and I have my beautiful lashes on. So to create my faux freckles, I'm going to be using a small thin liner brush. And I'm going to be dipping into Cold James to create faux freckles all over my face. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to line my waterline with Smolder from M.A.C Cosmetics. And to smoke that out with Cola, the blue shade that I cut my crease with. And yeah, going to smoke that out. For my lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with Chestnut lip liner from M.A.C Cosmetics as well. And for lipstick, over top of the liner, I'm going to be going in with the PIXI Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Bare Beauty. And to top this look off, I'm going to go in with my M.A.C Gold Deposit highlighter in the shade Gold Deposit, duh. And this, you guys, is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. I love you guys for watching. Thank you.